Hi everybody, today we're going to continue looking at subtraction, but we're going to look at finding a part and using our cherry diagrams to help us. So before we do that, let's just have a quick recap of things we've been learning. Let's count backwards from 4 to 0. First of all, are we ready? 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Perfect. Let's have a look at the next one then. What symbol is missing? So what goes here is addition or subtraction, an add or a minus, a take away. 10 something, 5 equals 5. So if we had 10 add 5, does it equal 5? Or if we do 10 take away 5, does it equal 5? So remember, if we add, the number gets bigger. If we take away, the number gets smaller. So that's a bit of a clue. It is subtraction. Well done. So here we have our tens frame, and it shows 7 take away 4. So we have 7 counters, we've crossed 4 out. What's our answer? The answer is 3. Well done if you got that right. And then our next one, what number is missing? So our whole is missing this time. We've got a part as 4 and a part as 5. What is missing? What is our whole? It is 9. Fantastic. Let's have a look at subtraction today then. So, how many leaves have we got all together? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 8 leaves all together. So let's put that in our whole. There are how many red leaves? So I'll go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red leaves. So let's put that in the part. How many leaves are green? What we're going to do is start relating it to subtraction. So a lot of you will know the number that goes with 5 to make 8, which is great because it's still the same answer. But what we're going to do is relate it to 8 take away 5 equals that answer. So let's pop the answer on. It is 3. Well done if you got that right. So we're going to look at this more in the next few lessons, but a lot of you will have known 5 add 3 equals 8. So therefore, you will know 8 take away 5 equals 3. And like I say, we're going to look at those addition facts and subtraction facts in the next few lessons. But that can help you with filling out the parts that are missing. And that's why it's so important to know all of your bonds. Let's have a look at another one. How many buttons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 buttons. How can we sort them into 2 groups? So there's lots of ways that we can sort them. First of all, we're going to sort them into colours. So let's have the blue and the red. There we go. So there are 9 altogether, and it asks us to figure out how many are blue. So we know one part is 3, they are red. Now we need to figure out the other part as to how many are blue. And we can count them because they're there. But the other way, remember, is if we look at 9 take away 3 is going to give our other part, isn't it? It's going to give the answer to the other part. And let's count them to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is our other part. Well done if you got that right. So remember, we could do 3 add 6 makes 9. But we could also do 9 take away 3 equals 6. Then the other way we can do it is we can look at how many are red. So again, our 9 is our whole, back into our 2 groups, and we know that we've got 6 blue, so we can relate it to then figure out our other part. So last time we did 9 take away 3 equals 6. So this time we're going to do 9 take away 6 equals 3. Can you see how 3 numbers you can use to make different number sentences like we did with addition? We're going to do it with subtraction as well. Well done. Right, this time there's 9 buttons again. 2 are hearts. How many are not hearts? I want you to pause the video and have a go to figure out how many are not hearts. Some of you might know straight away, that's fine, but if you need to pause the video to work out how many are not hearts, do that now. So again, we can relate it to our subtraction sentence. 9 take away 2 equals 7. Fantastic if you did that. So just using these buttons, we can do it lots of different ways. So we've got another way of doing it. So we're going to do 9 take away 5 this time. I wonder which group it's going to be. Have a little think. What could it be? Let's have a look. I'll show you. It is with how many holes they've got in the buttons. So these ones have only got 2 in. These ones have got 4 in. So we've separated them into 2 groups. So we're going to do 9, because that's our hole. Take away 5. This group leaves us with this one. So what is the answer? It is 4. Well done if you did that one. This time, we haven't got any pictures to help us. We've just got our cherry diagram and our number sentence. So we're going to think about 8 take away 4 equals what? So again, relating it back to addition and thinking about what number goes with 4 to make 8. It's still the same, isn't it? But we're just writing it slightly different. 8 take away 4 equals 4. We know 4 and 4 makes 8, don't we? Double 4 is 8. So there are so many facts we can use to help us. Next one. 6 take away something equals something. What's my missing number here? It's going to be 5, isn't it? Because 5 is there. What is the answer going to be then? What do I have if I do 6 take away 5 equals? It is 1. Well done. Quite tricky today and quite a lot to keep up with, so I hope you're doing okay, Nottingham. It is a lot to follow, isn't it? But we will get there, and then when we do the addition and subtraction fact in the next few lessons, it will hopefully all make sense. So one more for you here to do. I want you to have a think. So I've got my cherry diagram here. I want you to write down the number sentence, what it would be. So I've given you the whole, and I've given you one part. So you need to pop that into your subtraction sentence and then figure out what the other part would be. So pause the video for me and have a go at that. So it would be 8 take away 2 equals 6 is our other part, isn't it? Well done if you did that. So last challenge for you, it's over to you. I want you to work out the subtraction sentences here. If you need to draw the cherry diagram to help you, that's absolutely fine, or get some equipment, it's whatever works for you. So these are the whole take away the part equals the other part. But some of them over here are a little bit more challenging because, yes, it is still 6 take away the part equals the part, but I've given you this number that's missing, so we know the answer, but we don't know how many we're going to take away. So these are a little bit trickier. But have a go. Like I say, draw your cherry diagram, use your equipment. It's whatever works for you guys. And if you pause the video and have a go, and then the answers will come on in a minute. So here are your answers. Give yourselves a tick or a dot if you didn't manage to get something right. And maybe if you didn't, have a little look at that with your grown-up to see where you went wrong. Or get in touch on Tapestry, and also don't forget to send over your work, because as I say all the time, I do look forward to seeing it because it does make me smile. Take care, everybody.